Is your phone buzzing non-stop from Telegram messages? Or maybe you're missing out on important notifications because the vibrations are too subtle? No worries, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to tweak those in-app vibration settings on Telegram to match your preference. Ready to make your notifications just right? Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. That's the hamburger menu. After that, tap Settings. Now navigate to Notifications and Sounds. Next, tap on Vibrate. From here, you can pick your vibration style or simply turn it off if you prefer. Alright folks, I hope you found this guide helpful for customizing those Telegram vibrations on your Android phone. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more handy tips like this. Got any questions or need more info? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.